Listen and repeat.
English words starting with the letter K. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Karate. Karate. Karaoke. Karaoke. Keen. Keen. Keep. Keep. Kept. Kept. Key. Key. Keeper. Keeper. Kettle. Kettle. Ketchup. Ketchup. Keyword. Keyword. Keyboard. Keyboard. Kit. Kit. Kid. Kid. Kind. Kind. King. King. Kill. Kill. Kick. Kick. Kiss. Kiss. Kite. Kite. Kiwi. Kiwi. Killer. Killer. Kidney. Kidney. Kindly. Kindly. Kidnap. Kidnap. Kitten. Kitten. Kingdom. Kingdom. Kitchen. Kitchen. Kinetic. Kinetic. Kinetics. Kinetics. Kilogram. Kilogram. Kind-hearted. Kind-hearted. Kitchenware. Kitchenware. Kindergarten. Kindergarten. Kindness. Kindness. No. No. New. New. Me. Me. Not. Not. Knob. Knob. Known. Known. Knife. Knife. Knock. Knock. Night. Night. Knives. Knives. Knitting. Knitting. Knuckle. Knuckle. Knowledge. Knowledge. Knighthood. Knighthood. Kung Fu. Kung Fu. This king has a great kingdom. This king has a great kingdom. I don't have the keys. I don't have the keys. My children are in kindergarten. My children are in kindergarten. That's very kind of you, thanks so much. That's very kind of you, thanks so much. My mother is cooking in the kitchen now. My mother is cooking in the kitchen now. We study kinetics in physics section. We study kinetics in physics section. Knitting is my favorite hobby. Knitting is my favorite hobby. We use a knife to cut food. We use a knife to cut food. We have 2 kidneys in our body. We have 2 kidneys in our body. I want 3 kilograms of rice. I want 3 kilograms of rice. Put some ketchup on my burger sandwich. Put some ketchup on my burger sandwich.